Okay, I saw some videos. Everybody was hyping this thing up. This is the Klein Tools 7-in-1 ratcheting stubby. Now, I'm not the ultimate Klein Tools fanboy, but look at this little thing. This fits right in your little pocket there. So it ratchets, it's a stubby, and it does a bunch of stuff. There's two-sided bits in here. There's a 1/4 inch. You pull it out. There's a 5/16 inch. This side's a 1/2 inch, and it works with the Connect system. I'm like, should I blow my money? Let me just show you a couple things that kind of won me over here. So the big sell on this thing, of course, is it's super compact. I mean, just throw this in your pocket. My favorite driver is the 11-in-1 impact ratcheting screwdriver. This thing's awesome. So this thing has a lot of those same features, you know, a couple sizes of bits. You can use the bits from the 11-in-1 in this tool. So there's a 1/4 inch side. Those bits will fit. So if you've got a bit you like in this driver, you can use it with the stubby, which is kind of cool. So yeah, we're starting to get one over there. And you know, nice having a little 1/4 inch. You can use it with your impact driver. It doesn't sit in there super firm, but it sits in there on my DeWalt. So that was kind of cool. And then whoops, dropped my phone. And then I figured out that they said it worked with the Connect system. I couldn't figure out why. So if you've got the smaller Connect system with all these different bits, which do work in this little stubby driver, but this will also work, and this is where it's kind of cool. This 1/2 inch works with their pass-through socket set. So now we have this little stubby ratcheting socket thing. They got me. I'm going to keep buying all this Klein stuff. I'm hooked.